Mewn gair, be ydy'r rhaglen ydy criw o 14 ohonan ni sydd wedi cael yn dethol i fod yn rhan o garfan Cynrychioli Cymru. A dros y 12 mis dwytha, da ni wedi bod yn rhan o weithdai a seminara, sgyrsia Zoom, dosbarthiadau meistr, da ni wedi bod yn cwrdd efo mentor, da ni wedi cael gymaint o brofiadau mor helaeth, mor amrywiol.
During this year, I've learned so much about writing for younger readership, young adults and middle grade readers. So that's been really helpful, very informative, supportive.
Mae wedi bod yn gynhaliaeth, really. Dwi'n teimlo mae wedi cynnal fi fel awdur, ond fel person hefyd, oedd cael rhywbeth parhaol i edrych mlaen ato fo, a cael yr gefnogaeth gan yr awduron eraill a gan chi hefyd, Llywodraeth Cymru.
This was more than just a foundation, which was kind of what I was expecting it to be. It's actually going through all of the different key aspects of how do you sell yourself, how do you publish yourself, how do you get an agent, how do you put forward your writing, how do you better it. Just every single small key detail you could think of, it is elaborated on everything. And I've gone from going, I want to be a writer, to now I'm going, I understand how to be a writer. And that's such a big change.
And I have had so much good advice since taking part in this journey on just all of the little things that you don't necessarily know to ask. So that's been really useful for me. So as well as kind of getting a bit of information about, the creative ways in which I can improve my writing, actually having an understanding of the industry, how it works in Wales and how it works in England has been really useful for me.
The support we've had has been very broad, very varied. We've had some amazing masterclasses that we've just learnt so much from, so many things we didn't even know that we needed to know. Mentoring, which has just been wonderful, very tailored, specialist advice from somebody that's really taken the time to get to know me and my writing.
Well, I feel this 12 months course put a very positive change to me. I feel like when I started course I was quite a bit shy, and after it's nearly end, so I feel now I'm a bit confident.
I've definitely gained confidence and a sense of purpose in my writing. And before starting representing Wales, I didn't think that writing could be my career. I thought writing was my hobby. And now I'm finishing representing Wales as a full-time freelance writer, and writing is now my career.
Dwi wedi dysgu gymaint. Mae wedi bod mor allweddol, dwi'n meddwl, i fi fel awdur hefyd, i ddatblygu, achos mae'r cynllun wedi helpu fi gael asiant hefyd, a oedd hwnna'n beth sy'n jyst yn hollol net. A dig yma blwyddyn yn ôl, o'n i'n anobeithio am y peth, felly mae'n jyst yn hollol, mae wedi newid. Mae wedi newid yn mywyd i.
Mae wedi cwmpasu bob dim o'r gofynion o gen i o'r rhaglen a gymaint mwy.